Hi, so in this video I will tell you exactly step by step the 4 important pillars, or let's say secrets, that gurus on Clickbank or any other affiliate network are not sharing with you. And I mean really not the surface stuff, but deep stuff that you have to understand if you want to succeed as an affiliate marketer and become a super affiliate, no matter what niche you're in. So how to go from zero to $10,000 per month as a super affiliate, or let's say affiliate. So let me share with you important pillars. Now stay with me. You see, one of the best secrets are that the internet is 99% mindset and 1% technical. What I mean by that? I mean that you have to master the mindset. It's not about the software, the funnel, the click funnel, whatever funnel you're using or program. It's all about the end results of the customer. It's all about the marketplace, the clients, the people that you are marketing your offers to. If you understand their mindset, their mental state, their desires, their goals, their fears, then you can win as an affiliate. Then you can get way higher chances of converting them to sales. It's not about the softwares, because most people quit because they don't know how to make a WordPress website, how to make the funnels. All that is crap, because you can outsource that stuff. You don't have to let that stuff stop you from succeeding with affiliate marketing or internet marketing. You have to get it, because it's not about the magic bullet software, services or products. You will not need those magic stuff. You just need to understand your target market, your audience of people that you are promoting to. Now, another secret is that you have to ask better questions to smarter people, so that you will get better answers to generate income. So you always want to know what landing pages, opt-in forms, website designs, and direct response copy that is tested. You need that. If the gurus are telling you go into the weight loss niche, try this, and you lose money, of course you did not ask smart questions, or let's say better questions, to smarter people than you. So what you can do is you can ask better questions, and not just use what they give you on Clickbank. They just give you generic stuff. They give to thousands of people all that stuff in affiliate resources. They say to you, here is this, try this copy, try this platform, try this landing page, throw it at the wall and see what happens. They make you cook the recipes that they never cooked themselves. So that's why you have to understand that you need to go deeper. You need someone to guide you, to mentor you, to show you the ropes step by step, exactly how it's done, not just theory, but in action, in practice, what you can get done today, right now, in this moment. So most vendors try to pound off on you, right? Most vendors are really smart. They give you the ad copy, they give you everything, right? They give you pages, and then they say go out and try yourself. So you test, you lose your money, and the product owners, they see what's working for you, where you're losing money, so they adapt and they just apply what's working for them, not for you. So you have to be really careful about that, especially on Clickbank. If you want to make $10,000 or more per month, or even $1,000 per month in commissions as an affiliate. So another thing is always be in front of the money in niche markets. Now what I mean by that is that you have to position yourself, and listen to this, position yourself in the niches where people, like I said here, are already willingly handing over their money, over fist, wanting to buy stuff. So do not go into the niches where people are not spending any money, right? You have to go into the niches and listen. If you subscribe to my channel right now, and if you stay until the end of this video, you will see exactly what niches I'm talking about. I will give you exactly metrics, vanities, everything you need to succeed with affiliate marketing, exactly the niches that I would suggest you to go into to make big money as an affiliate. Now this makes your job 10 times or 100 times easier, rather than trying to persuade them to buy your products or services, right, with all sorts of efforts and softwares and marketing. So always be in the niches where people are already spending money every single day. So what is the truth? The truth is, if you still think or listen to people that tell you that you can make money following your passions. Good luck, because you cannot deposit your passion in the bank. You have to understand this. It's all about the marketplace. It's not about me, right? If I'm not drinking coffee, but billions of people are drinking coffee, then it's not about me. It's about the marketplace. It's about the people, what they want, what is their desires, what are their goals, what are their aspirations, what are their fears, what are their pains. So when you understand that, you can win big. Now, what are the best niches to go make money in as an affiliate marketer with Clickbank or digital marketing, working from home, whatever you want to call it, right? So those are the 4 biggest markets that I suggest you to go into if you really want to have success. So the first one are consumption markets. Those are video gaming, electronics, and info marketing. Another is addiction markets, and those are weight loss, how to stop smoking, right? Most people have problem with smoking and they want to stop smoking. So on Clickbank you have products about hypnosis, meditation, how to make person to stop smoking. Now it's also binge eating, right? People watch Netflix or TV and eat shit foods like McDonald's and stuff like that, so they want to stop binge eating, right? And you have many other addiction markets, right? People addicted to all sorts of stuff. Another niche is vanity markets. Now those are skincare, cosmetic surgery, teeth whitening, right? Lots of people want to make their teeth look beautiful, white, right? So they will spend money on that. Another and the last one is compulsive markets. Those are people who want to stop hair pulling, right? Pulling out their hairs because of anxiety, stress, depression. Then you have people who are gamblers, right? Like lottery. Then you have many different, like poker, casino, many different markets, right? Why I'm suggesting you to go into those markets is because those are compulsive markets. People are already spending money every single day on those stuff, like lottery, poker, casino, all this stuff, right? That's why the Las Vegas casino is such a big money maker for them, because people are already spending money, right? You don't have to persuade them or tell them go to casino. They're already going there to spend money without you asking them to go and spend money. So you have many different niches. So remember this. Now at the end of this video, if you want to have support and one-on-one mentorship, let's say not course, but basically done with you program, when you get done for you affiliate website, done for you ad copy, done for you targeting details on Google, also keywords, and also headlines, and of course the niche with products, where we connect together, we set it up together one-on-one, then let me know below this video. And let me tell you, this is not a cheap thing. It's not a cheap course or a program. It's something that can be done one-on-one with you together. So it's my time invested, my energy invested, and it's getting you up and running in less than 7 days. That's right, in less than 7 days, so you can have results. Now you decide what you want. You want to buy another course on Clickbank from a well-known guru who will give you exact same stuff that they give to the thousands of other students, so you can compete with them, and after 8 weeks find out you cannot get your refund back, you cannot make any money, or you want to have someone who will show you step by step exactly with you together, done with you affiliate website, and also together with you get everything up and running. So the choice is yours, but it's all about taking action now. So as you're watching this video right now, decision is yours. Below this video there are going to be links to my WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, and email where we can connect one-on-one. So let me know, and thank you for watching this video. And before you leave this video, please subscribe to my channel so you can get more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.